Welcome to the eP2P application user tutorial guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to apply for a travel claim. First, navigate to Claimable in the eClaim tab and click on My Travel Claim application. Only the Approved Travel Request Form or TRF will appear in the selection. Users select the travel form that they want to claim and then click Next. On the next page, the user may review their travel form information before proceeding. Users are allowed to update their departure and arrival times if required. Click Next and claim form will be displayed. In this form, several travel allowances are auto-calculated based on destination and accommodation. Other claims may be added by selecting the type of claims and filling in the details. Users may also add other transportation details by clicking on the green plus icon and filling in the details. Users may select a department in the budget code column to charge the travel claim to other cost centers if applicable. The user is also given the choice to upload supporting documents related to the claims. Once completed, click Next to proceed. On the preview page, users can review the claim information that was filled to avoid any mistakes before submitting. Once confirmed, user can submit the form. A notification will pop up showing that the application is successfully submitted. The request will then be forwarded to the user superior for the recommendation. Thank you.